Imagine helping every team across your organization to measure and improve performance, but ironically, you can't even measure and improve your own. That's the reality of many analytics engineers out there in the wild, and Paradime's here to help out. So today we're releasing Radar, a real-time intelligence engine for analytics work. With Radar, analytics teams can measure and improve team efficiency, monitor and reduce data warehouse costs, and observe and optimize the performance of your DBT project. Let's take a look at how it works. From the Works tab, we provide countless metrics to help you understand and improve the efficiency of your analytics team and the individual analytics engineers. For example, you can see countless metrics on code changes and pull requests, total number of bug commits and feature commits by the team, and the code contributions by user. So next time your company asks what you've been up to, you've got crystal clear answers. In the Cost tab, you can dive deep into your overall data warehouse spend, learn who on your team is spending it, and which nodes and queries are burning your budget. And in the Schedules tab, you can get granular on the overall performance of your DBT project and identify which DBT runs are causing errors and how to fix it. And of course, all the charts and metrics available in Radar can be filtered and edited to your needs. And my favorite part, it's super easy to set up. All you need to do is click a few buttons, copy and paste some code, and you'll be all set to effectively measure and improve the performance of your team.